Hi guys, how you doing? I'm back, Bafethu. This is your boy Simthembin. So a lot of people, some organizations, I heard this gift of the giver has been accusing Match and Match or Uchasita to be specific, that is being funded by Mossad or by Israel to chase people out. So they think this girl is being funded, what, to be against Ama Muslims specifically. I wonder why these Muslims are entering the country with no. Bafuna nje emalokishini. What are they doing in the townships? Hey. These people are not our friends. They never was our friends. During apartheid, we never went. I've never heard anyone went to South Arabia, or hey, or Bangladesh or Somalia. Never had any hero. Hey, Jasita Ngobese laugh of Zuma laughs off Israel funding claims, offers bank proof. You don't need to explain to yourself to these people. They're very dangerous, though. They're very dangerous. That's why I don't want them in the townships. Sifuna ukubhoma Martin. Jasita Ngobese Zuma has dismissed claims that her organization is receiving foreign funding, including allegations linking it to Israel. She made the remarks during a media briefing where she also addressed growing scrutiny ahead of the deadline linked to undocumented foreign national. Ngobese Zuma insisted the movement is sustained through local donations and challenge critics to produce evidence for their March and March leader Jasita Ngobese strongly denied claims the organization is funded by foreign interests, including allegation linked to. Ngobese used the platform to firmly dismiss rumors of external financial backing, describing them as baseless and misleading. She also said the organization is prepared to provide proof of its funding sources. Yeah, don't provide any proof to no one, man. We don't have to explain to no one. We are tired. Aibo. We don't need to explain ourselves. It's like there's some people when you say we want the land back, hey, what are we gonna do with the land? Yeah, you wanna build shacks, hey baba. I don't have to explain myself to you. You might bring back your stolen goods. Guys, I don't know about Israel. These are the comments from Jasid. The first time I heard about Israel was in the Bible, and now I'm being told I'm funded by Israel. She's a joke. She's funny too, Bob. She suggested that the narrative was a conspiracy aimed at discrediting the movement, questioning why it is difficult for some to believe that ordinary South Africans could support a cause financially. Haibo. That's why don't need to listen to these people. I mean, and I'm so disappointed with the gift of the givers. Very disappointed. They don't care about the poor of South Africa, most. Oh, we cannot house the whole of Africa, guys. We cannot. Haibo. And we're leaving our resources in other rooms. Okay, I'm taking Africa as a room. Now we're going to one room. Let's say Africa is a mansion of 52 rooms, and all these rooms have resources. Now we're leaving all these other rooms with their resources, and we come to one house and fight over one resources. Obviously, the imperialists will occupy the other rooms and take all the resources, and they're available too. Hi man, timing, guys. You cannot run away and leave all the resources, man, in your countries. Fight for the resources. Remove the leaders that are stealing your resources. And stop fighting over nothing. Why each and every country there's rebels? Aye. She suggested that the narrative was conspiracy aye. If this movement had a white faces, it would be listened to, she added, criticizing that she described as biased media coverage and unfair public perception. Let's forget about these things, bruh. Don't take your eyes from the ball, girl. We are in full support. Skatel. Ngobese Zuma slammed conspiracy theorists and the media. Ngobese Zuma further challenged journalists to verify their claims, stating that no media house had questioned bank statement from the organization to support allegation of foreign funding. She maintained that the movement is primarily sustained through donations from local supporters and ordinary citizens. Ngobese Zuma warned that linking the movement to international conflicts could be harmful, arguing that such narrative risks misrepresenting the organization intention. Imagine you say we are aligned to Israel. What would Palestine think of us? She said, oh. And why would they say that? Phathela Umthakathi reject for foreign funding claims. Similar to anti-illegal foreign immigration activist Phathela Umthakathi has dismissed the allegation that movement he supports is tribalistic, xenophobic, and funded by Israel, calling the claims that part of a propaganda campaign. He addressed South Africans directly, thanking them for what he described as the success of the movement and insisting that accusations of foreign backing were false. He further said the propaganda is used to cause war, but it will never cause war in this country. He lastly added that the movement was rooted in what he described as indigenous South African identity. And these guys have been saying they are against violence, have been saying, but you guys chose not to listen to them because you want to push your own agendas. Hey, why the gift of the givers doesn't build hospital for their people and build houses and buy land for their people so that they can stay? Hey, azosinyanyisa nina kunini suffocated, was suffocating. How I did our grandfather left us with species and he left them with land. Why they don't get to and work their land and leave us with our species? Briefly News also reported that March and March leader Jacinta Ngobese rallied supporters and said the country will be shut down on the date. She also defended her surname amid allegation that she was linked to Umkhonto weSizwe party through her surname, addressed the crowd, and she said protesters must not look to or attack anyone because the minute of any violence breaks out, the international community will accuse South Africans of using anti-illegal immigration rhetoric to commit crime. Yeah, serious guys. No one should die. No one should do anything. It should be heard. If they don't want to leave, we don't know. Okay? We don't know. The law must take its course. Yeah? The only people who need to be heard is these people who are running us, who are leading us astray. Our leaders who are leading us astray. Those are ones who need to be attacked for real. Anyway, I'm not advocating for violence, man. Please, Bafetu, subscribe, like Bafetu. See you on the next video.